Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick 1-minute guide. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about pressure washers and what to do if they don't start. So if you start pulling them and they just refuse to start, I'm going to show you a quick little tip my father showed me growing up that usually gets it back up and running. All right, the first thing you want to do is remove the spark plug. So we're going to be removing the spark plug boot, then using the appropriate socket. All right, it's good to look at the spark plug and make sure it's not corroded too much. I might just replace this one. If yours is fairly old, it's a cheap little replacement, usually $2 or $3. All right, next grab yourself a little funnel, stick it in the spark plug hole, and just pour about maybe a teaspoon of gas in there. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Remove the funnel and reinsert your spark plug, whether it be new or if your used one was clean. Then torque it back down with your wrench. You don't have to make it super tight, just a little snug, and reattach the spark plug boot. All right, so hopefully this got you up and running. If it did not and the engine maybe just started for a second or two and then turned off, you probably have one of 4 issues. You either have a clogged carburetor, so you're gonna wanna take that carburetor apart, spray it with some carb choke cleaner, reinstall or buy a repair kit and or replace the carburetor altogether. Make sure your fuel filter is not clogged. If it is, get yourself a new fuel filter. Check the air filter. If the air filter's dirty or really old, replace it. And last but not least, the gas cap have vent holes inside. I'll show you here a little close up. And if those are clogged, it will create a vacuum inside the engine and will not get fuel to the carburetor or spark plug to start the engine. So you're gonna want to either drill a new hole in your gas cap lid or replace the gas cap lid. Well guys, I hope one of those 5 tips helped get your pressure washer up and running. I wanted to mention, if you're storing your pressure washer unused for an extended period of time, I really would recommend adding fuel stabilizer to keep the fuel fresh. And also, if you take apart your carburetor or take it off and spray it with carb choke cleaner and it still doesn't get it up and running, I'd recommend actually disassembling the carburetor itself and make sure there's no gunk buildup in the actual little bowl that's in the carburetor, and hit some carb choke cleaner inside the idler jets and all those little jets that are inside there, because a lot of the times that's the problem, at least for me. If my pressure washer's been sitting for a long time unused, it's gunked up in the carburetor. So hope you found this video informative. Please leave your comment below. I'd love to hear what the remedy was for getting your pressure washer up and running. See you in the next video.